In this video, I will show you how to use Apliiq with Shopify. So first, you will need to have your Shopify store set up. So if you haven't done that yet, you can claim this deal right here, where you get a 3-day free trial and then 3 months of Shopify for only €1, pound, or dollar per month through the link down in the description. So if you want to get started with Shopify, you can claim this deal through the link in the description. Now, after you create your store, what I recommend to do is just go to apps right here and then click all recommended apps and then go to the Shopify App Store. Then here just gonna search for Apliiq and then here just click on it. Now you can see it has really good reviews, so that's 4.8 stars out of 5 with over 500 reviews. So to get started, just click on install and confirm by clicking on install again. Now here, if you already have an Apliiq account, just sign in. If you don't have one, then click on create account. Then enter your email address and click sign up for free. Then an email has been sent, and from there you can click on that link to complete the registration. Then here just enter a password for your account and click sign up for free. And then here click on start creating. So now here you will see a list of all of their products, so you can see they currently have 863. You can also search for a specific type of product. You can choose what type of branding you can have, the print type, the features, product, brand, fit, etc. For example, they have Adidas, they also have Nike, I think. So if you filter by Nike, you will see they also have a few Nike polos right there. Now, for example, I'll just go with this bag right here and click design bags. Then from here you can just go and customize it, and you can see the description, the materials and all of that. You can also see how much it will cost if you buy it in bulk, but for one single item you can see it right here. Then here you can also choose how you want the printing to be done, so a transfer, screen print, or even an embroidery. Now I want the embroidery, so I'll just click customize, and then here you can upload your artwork. And then again, you can pick whichever one of these you want. So again, I'll go with embroidery. And then you can just align it however you want and make it larger or smaller. Now you can also upload more if you want, but if you're happy with how it looks, then just click on next in the top right. And now you can buy a sample for $29. You can buy it in bulk for as low as $14.39, or you can dropship it, which may be what you want to do if you're going to sell on Shopify. So if you want to do that, click on add to my store. So it says your store isn't set up yet, so just click on install the Apliiq Shopify app. Now that should be already done, but from here just click Shopify and then here click install the app, and now just open it. And now as you can see, my Shopify store is connected. So after you have connected your store and you go through the design process again, you can then choose right here which colors you want to offer and the price that you want to set. So then you can see the cost and your profit. Now, for example, if I want it to be a little bit lower, such as $35, then you can just change it right there. You can also add variants and switch product to Apliiq. So that means you're going to convert a current product on your store, but I'll just click create new product. So then here you can change the description and the name, and then just click save. And now they've added this to my store. So now if you go to Shopify and refresh the products page, you will find the product there. So you can see it right here with the description, the name, and the images. So now I have successfully started selling my Apliiq products on Shopify. Now when I get an order, then in this section in the top right, if you click on your profile and then go to orders, you will then find your orders right here and also your pending orders, and you can make sure that the fulfillment is being taken care of, since you can also see the order status. So now you know how to use Apliiq on Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.